This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Beautifully updated home in an immaculate condition. You'll enjoy the easy-to-care for wood-look tile throughout the home. Updated light fixtures and fans making it light and bright. Updated windows and a new sliding glass door was installed in 2021. Spacious bedrooms, each having a walk-in closet. The master is isolated and has an updated master bath shower. Master closet features a built-in safe for added security. Enjoy the 828 square feet. Covered patio along with the above-ground pool, and a pretty yard. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.